Okay, so we got a City of Los Angeles inspection report for a property owner. There's a bunch of citations on it. There's only 3 plumbing related citations. So I'm here to, I think I can fix 1 or 2 of them while I'm here, but there's a TMP that's not properly installed, but I'm gonna go and check it out. Alright, the front house folks are not home, and that's the one with the TMP, I believe. Yeah. So it's just this unit right here, and then this one. Hello. And she looks so much older from the last time I saw her. Okay. So that's just, oh, okay. So it's just it's just the accordion. Do you mind if I fix this real quick? Or do you want me to come back and do it? Because I could fix that really fast. I just have to replace this. What happened? Okay, so it's just these 2 right here. I thought there were more, but it's just the TMP for this unit, and then that accordion tailpiece. We'll fix that real quick. It won't take that long. Oh, I didn't see that.
Oh, what happened?
Oh boy, there's no P-trap on this.
What is it?
It's a little U-shaped bend. What I'm gonna have to do, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut a little slit in this. You get what I'm saying? Because the P-trap, it's just a U-shaped bend. It has to, because the height of this. Do you see that?
Yeah. The
P-trap will be slightly below this.
Okay, gotcha.
That's because I'm surprised he only said that this was on it. He probably couldn't see that there was no P-trap, because I didn't see it either. But that's yeah, we have to do that. I literally I cannot leave here without putting a P-trap, because it's actually, it can I mean, since you have a window right here, you probably haven't smelt it, but this could allow sewer gas to get back into the unit. But it's literally, I'm just gonna cut a little slit right here.
Well, yeah, I'll give my mom a heads up, show him through one of the.
Should I? I'll take out this right now. There you go. Okay, now let's install this. Okay, I got this installed. That was a pain in the arse, but it's all good now. Maybe about like that. There you go. this kept popping out, but I didn't realize you just had to really push it in until it clicked, and then you put this little retention thing on it. Now it's fine. All right, so I cleaned out the drain a little bit. We're gonna use some little tubular action here. All right, there you go. Fortunately, the drawer clears. Cut it just a little too much, but you know, it is what it is. But that'll be perfect. It will not leak. We got a P-trap in there. Now I just need an extension tailpiece, and that'll be it. Let's test her for leaks. What do you say? No leaks. No leaks. You see any? I don't see any. All right.